Today we are touring a Royal Deluxe with partial ocean view room at Blanc Spa Resort, Los Cabos. This resort is located just 33 kilometers, or about a 30-minute drive, from the Los Cabos International Airport. All right, we're gonna show you some of the cool things about this room. So right by the front door, there is this digital screen. And if you want your room cleaned, you go ahead and touch that. And it's going to alert your butler, the maid service, that you want your room cleaned as soon as possible. And then if you don't want anyone to come in, you just click on the Do Not Disturb. Now, one thing that they told us is very important is if you have your Do Not Disturb on, but then you request a service from your butler, they're not going to actually be able to enter your room. So if you are not in your room, you don't want to have that on. Here in this bathroom is this beautiful soaking tub. And this is actually something where through the app you can order bath salts, or you can even just ask your butler to draw the bath for you if you let them know what time you want that done, when you're gonna be back like after dinner. It's a pretty cool service that they offer. One of the things that we really love for women at the Palace and LeBlanc resorts is that they always will have a hairdryer, so that is pretty standard. So this bag is a hairdryer, but they also have a hair straightener, if I can get it open. So if you straighten your hair, that is one thing that you will not have to bring with you, because they always have that in their bathrooms at their resorts. Here in this room, there is a mini bar. So we have wine, we have a coffee station. I'm not sure if this is always set up or if this is just a little special, but there is a little bottle of tequila for some tequila tasting. And then here in these drawers, you're gonna have everything that you need for coffee. And then over here are glasses and some snacks and little treats. And what our butler did share with us is that this is restocked every single day, including the mini bar items and snacks. Up here you have liquor dispensers. And then down below is going to be bottled water, a container for ice, and then the mini fridge, which has all kinds of different stuff. So juices, soda, beer, water. And this they will also restock every day. One of the other things that I love about the LeBlanc and Palace properties is that they always have this diffuser. So you can go onto the app and choose the aromatherapy scents that you want. You can order that and your butler or maid will have that ready for you in the evening. The other really cool thing that you can order through their app is pillows. So they have a pillow menu where you can go ahead and choose what type of pillow you want, you know, whether you want something softer or more sturdy.